Welcome back to Trojan. Ever wish you could trade like the best of them? With copy trading on Trojan, you can. Buckle in, there's a lot to cover, but we'll get through it step by step. Start under Tools, then tap Copy Trading. Select New Copy Trade to create a setup. And just FYI, you can also launch a copy trade directly from the wallet analyzer if you spot a wallet there you want to mirror. Now, you'll notice 3 columns: Buy Settings, Sell Settings, and Advanced Features. We're hitting all of them. First, give your setup a name, something you can recognize at a glance. Then, paste in the target address. This is the wallet you want to copy. Next, choose your execution wallet, the wallet funding your trades. Now set your buy strategy. You can mirror a fixed SOL amount or copy a percentage of the target's buy. This is where studying their behavior helps. Look at their history, see how they size their trades, and choose what fits your risk. No shame in starting small. Copy trading takes some tuning. I'll go with 25% for this demo. Next, adjust your priority fee and bribe. Speed is everything here. Priority fee matters most when MEV protection is off, while bribe matters more when MEV protection is on. Then, set your slippage, and decide whether you want MEV protection enabled. Copy trading often needs higher slippage than you might expect, so if you run into slippage fails, try bumping that number up. Now, flip over to Sell Settings. This is a big decision. Do you want to copy their sells or set your own exit strategy? You can enable Auto Sell, which automatically places take profit and stop loss orders the moment a buy executes. You'll set those orders right here in the panel. For this walkthrough, I'll turn on Copy Sells, so my exits mirror the target wallet exactly. Now, open Advanced Features for deeper control. Filters for market cap, liquidity, launchpad exclusions, and more. And here's an important one: max spend per buy. Since I set my buys to 25% of the target, what if they suddenly ape in with a huge trade? No problem, just cap it. If I set my max at 2 SOL, my buys will never exceed 2 SOL, no matter how wild they go. When everything looks right, hit Create Copy Trade. And just like that, you're live. Once it's running, you can pause, resume, edit, or delete your copy trade anytime. If something feels off, just adjust your settings until it fits your strategy. That's copy trading, powerful, flexible, and built for precision.